Okay, we are going to read the questions for this interview. And you can see how you have a picture of Anjoa, a girl from Spain, that is interviewed by Encarna. Encarna interviews Anjoa. Anjoa es una chica española. So we are going to practice the pronunciation of the questions. Remember that we had that in previous week, right? So I'm going to read and you are going to repeat the questions. If when I read the questions, you have a question about the question, let me know, okay? Are we ready? Okay. ¿Cómo te llamas o cuál es tu nombre? And the answer of Ainhoa is, hola, mi nombre es Ainhoa. Then the next question is, ¿de dónde eres tú? ¿De dónde eres tú? And Ainhoa answers, yo soy de España, vivo en Pamplona. ¿Cuántos años tienes tú? ¿Cuántos años tienes tú? Yo tengo 16 años. ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? Mi comida favorita es la comida española. Me gusta la paella. Remember paella? And you have the picture of paella. ¿Cómo se llama tu mejor amigo? Mejor amigo. ¿Cómo se llama tu mejor amigo? Mi mejor amiga se llama Margot. Es de Francia. And notice how the question asks for amigo, because in general that's the way you ask, but she says amiga. Why did she say amiga? Because Margot is female. So even when the question asks you, ¿cómo se llama tu mejor amigo? You talk about a friend that is female, then you answer amiga. ¿Quién es tu artista favorito o favorita? No. Intonation went down. Okay, let's do it again. ¿Quién es tu artista favorito? Remember, it raised first and then goes down. ¿Quién es tu artista favorito o favorita? Mi artista favorito es Justin Bieber. Escuchamos música de Estados Unidos. ¿Quién es tu celebridad favorita? Mario Casas es mi celebridad favorita. Él, who is él? He. We are talking about whom? Mario Casas. Él es un actor español. ¿Cuál es tu juego favorito? Candy Crush es mi juego favorito. ¿Cuál es tu película favorita? Mi película favorita es Titanic. Es una película clásica. What is película? Vocabulary word. And then, película is movie. What is going to be the meaning for película clásica? And Titanic is a classic movie, right? ¿Cuál es tu película moderna favorita? Let's try again. Remember, rise and drop it. ¿Cuál es tu película moderna favorita? Batman versus Superman. ¿De verdad? Can you understand the meaning of de verdad? Because this is a question that we haven't learned. De verdad is when someone is telling you something that it's not that you don't believe it. It's kind of like, really? So this is what you say. De verdad is like asking, really? For real? You got it? So if you don't know de verdad, write it down and in the reading. That's what I asked you to open the reading in Notability, because then you can take notes. Or if you want to take notes in your notebook as you have been doing, it's fine. But de verdad is like, really? Sí. ¿Cuál es tu serie favorita de Netflix? Come on, guys. Let's try again. You can do better than this. ¿Cuál es tu serie favorita de Netflix? Velvet es mi serie favorita. ¿Cuál es tu aplicación favorita? What is that question asking for? Your favorite what? Your favorite app. Snapchat es mi aplicación favorita. ¿Cuál es tu aplicación favorita? Answer to me. ¿Cuál es tu aplicación favorita? Everybody say at the same time. I want the answer. ¿Cuál es tu aplicación favorita? I'm asking you. Tell me the answer. We just went over the meaning of the question, right? What? I want that you understand the interview. So, she's asking, ¿cuál es tu aplicación favorita? And your answer, Snapchat is mi aplicación favorita. Now I ask you, and you. ¿Cuál es tu aplicación favorita? Answer to me. Which one?
Subway Surfer.
What is your... ¿Cuál es tu aplicación favorita? Snapchat. Oh, you have the same, like that she likes like her. Snapchat. What about you? Some of you are not telling me the truth. I know that there is one that you love it. ¿Cuál es tu pasatiempo favorito? Pasatiempo. What is pasatiempo? Your hobby. So, ¿cuál es tu pasatiempo favorito? Say it again. And then she explained, me gusta leer. Remember that's how you express your likes. Me gusta leer. Yo leo los libros de Harry Potter y Divergente. ¿Cuál es una actividad que te gusta hacer? Say it. And you see hacer underline it. Why? Because remember, hacer is to do or to make something. So I'm asking, not me. And Karna is asking, I know her, what she likes to do. Remember that we have been talking about how when I ask you, what do you like to do? You have to replace hacer for the action verb for what you actually like to do. So the answer is, me gusta nadar. Can you see it? So she replaced hacer for which verb? Nadar. So what she likes to do? Swim. So this is what I have been talking about the previous week when we have been asking about what you like to do. You always have to replace hacer for a verb. Me gusta nadar, me gusta leer, me gusta dormir. ¿Cuál es una actividad que no te gusta hacer?
¿Cuál es una actividad que no te gusta hacer?
And she answered, no me gusta ir a la escuela. You feel the same, right? Yeah, I see in your face. You prefer to be at home, huh? Too bad you're here with me, stuck for an entire school year. So, she answered, no me gusta ir a la escuela. I don't like to go to school. So that is the less favorite thing for her, right? And Encarna says, and there is no more question, she's bringing the interview to a closure. Todos los estudiantes dicen lo mismo. You get what she's saying? Todos los estudiantes dicen lo mismo. What is Encarna saying? All what? Estudiantes. All students say what? The same. Remember that lo mismo in your vocabulary word. The same. So all the students say the same. What is what all the students say? What is what all the students say according to the interview? That they don't like to school. So what she's doing in here, when she answered the previous question, ¿cuál es una actividad que no te gusta hacer? Anioa say, no me gusta ir a la escuela. And Encarna reply, instead asking another question, she say, todos los estudiantes dicen lo mismo. All the students say the same. What is lo mismo? The same. And then she say, gracias por la entrevista. They are closing the interview, right? So I know I say, fue un placer. It was my
Pleasure.
Gracias. Adios. So, this is the interview. Now you are going to answer questions in your notebook or in Notability. I know that some of you prefer to write it down in the notebook. Some of you prefer to copy and paste the questions from today's module. Can you see the questions? How many questions do we have? 8 questions about this interview. So the questions are in English. You are going to answer in English. Remember, when I ask you in English, you answer in English. When I ask you in Spanish, you answer in Spanish. So how are you going to answer these questions today? English. But if in the test I ask you in Spanish, you answer in? Good job, guys. So go ahead and answer the comprehension questions in English.